Look closely at this creature. What you are seeing is not an insect. To say a spider is an insect is like saying a human is a shark. They are something far more ancient and far more alien. Spiders have walked this earth for over 400 million years. They were hunting in the dark long before the first dinosaur took a breath. They were here before trees, before flowers. But their age is not what makes them terrifying. It is their engineering. Did you know that spiders do not have extensor muscles in their legs? They don't move like us. They are biological robots powered by hydraulic fluid. Today, we open the hood of nature's most perfect machine. Nothing about them is normal. Here is why. Let's start with movement. When you see a spider jump, it isn't using muscle strength. It is using physics. The spider pumps blood, called hemolymph, into its legs at extreme pressure. This hydraulic explosion launches them into the air. It is the same principle used in heavy construction cranes, but miniaturized by evolution. This is why, when a spider dies, its legs curl inward. The hydraulic system has failed. The pressure is gone. It is a machine that has been turned off. But their body is only half of the story. The rest is the web. We tend to think of a web as a house or a trap. We are wrong. The web is an extension of the spider's brain. It is an external sensory organ. Spiders have poor hearing and limited vision. But when they step onto their silk, they become omniscient. Every strand is tuned like a guitar string. When a fly touches the web, the spider doesn't just feel a vibration. It reads the frequency. It knows the size of the prey, exactly where it is, and if it is dangerous. The web allows the spider to process information its small brain cannot handle alone. It is extended cognition. The web is the spider. And then there is the way they eat. This is perhaps the darkest part of their design. Spiders cannot eat solid food. Their mouths are too narrow. So they must turn their prey into soup. The venom they inject is not just a toxin to kill. It is a chemical cocktail of digestive enzymes. Once injected, the prey does not just die. It begins to dissolve from the inside out. The spider waits, and then it drinks the victim. It is efficient. It is silent. And it is horrifyingly effective. But if you think spiders are just mindless instinct, meet the Portia, the spider that hunts other spiders. The Portia is a genius in a microworld. It plans. When it sees a target, it doesn't just attack. If the path is blocked, the Portia will turn around, lose visual contact, and take a long detour to drop down from above. This requires object permanence, cognitive skill that human babies take months to learn. The Portia does it with a brain the size of a poppy seed. Dinosaurs rose and fell. The ice ages froze the planet. Continents drifted apart. Through it all, the spider remained. They are the ultimate survivors, the silent architects of our world. We might fear them, but we must respect the engineering. Nature is full of anomalies like this, creatures that defy explanation and logic. If you want to uncover the dark history of our planet, from the deep ocean to the prehistoric past, subscribe to Earth Paradox. Don't let the history be forgotten. I'll see you in the next discovery.